eye inside our hand in box.
Our eye got
We have to put our hand inside this box and pick an object.
Its size is very thin, and also we use to save battery. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm going to do a Pandora box activity, that is you have to choose something in this box and the thing came out and you have to speak about that thing.
take out an object without watching inside. Show it to the audience.
So this is a whiteboard ink, that is marker ink that contains 15 ml and it is in blue in color, and it's also available in 4 different colors: blue, black, red and green, and it's cost around 30 rupees. And
You are shaking your hands. Okay.
and you can use to fill the marker, and the marker used to write it on the whiteboard. That's all. Thank you so much.
Good.
Do you know what to do? Do you know what you are going to do? Speak yes or no. Okay. This is Pandora box. You need to put your hand inside the box without watching. Okay? And whatever you touch, just pick it out and speak over the object. Right? Okay. Put your hand inside. Wow. Show to the audience as well. Okay.
It is just a phone, smartphone.
It is a smartphone having brand is Nokia, and
There is a single camera back side.
there is a single camera and back side, and also single camera in the front side.
Show the front side.
Front side. And
Color. Silver color.
this phone is color silver, and this phone is speaker is single speaker, and this phone charging is
B type.
B type.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's your turn to put your hand inside the Pandora box. Do you know what Pandora box means? What? Jadoo ka pitara. It is a Jadoo ka pitara. Okay, now put your hand inside. Take out a single object. Wow.
Now it's your turn.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Akshat Gupta. This is a charger box. It uses to phone charging, and it's a USB charger. Its company name is Xiaomi. Xiaomi adapter. Color is black.
The length of wire is too short.
The length of wire is too short.
And we should keep charger always with us.
We should keep charges for
Charger.
charger
With us.
charger will
Always with us.
always with us.
Anything else?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Akshat, are you ready? Do you know what you are going to do? What?
This is the box which contains many different objects.
No?
Choose an object first. Okay, now you are to speak over this object. Show it to the audience.
This is a duster of the Ajanta company, which contain upper color is white and inner outer color is black, which helps to erase in whiteboard, and you can hold it with 2 fingers, and you contain 2 markers inside it, and it helps to clean neatly in whiteboard. And you can buy this duster at any shop,
At any stationery shop.
at any stationery shop.
But now this duster is damaged.
But now this duster is now damaged. Thank you.
Very good. Good.
Okay, now it's your turn. Put your hand in this Pandora box. जादू का पिटारा. Pick any object. What are you searching for? Okay. Show it to the audience.
It is a key of
Bike. First set your mic.
It is key of bike,
Bike, not mic.
bike. And hello everyone, my name is Sudhanshu Verma, and it is a Honda bike key, and simply started bike and one place to another place going.
It is a key. You are to speak on the keys, not bike. Okay. There are 2 keys in a single ring. There is a chain.
Key and one ring and chain and pendant in missing
Pendant is missing.
and it work is lock this bike
To lock.
to lock this
Lock the
bike.
bike.
Thank you.
Only lock, and what about unlock?
Lock and unlock.
Lock and unlock. Okay. Very good.
Sunny. नहीं. Siddhant. What happened? Do you have a kind of fear? Yes, sir, or no, sir? But you are not looking like. Do you want to put your hand inside this box? Okay, then do. Okay, what is it?
This is a pen.
Take this mic first. Audience, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant, and I inside our hand in box.
I got this pen from this Pandora box.
I got this pen from this Pandora box. This is a pen of Rorito Race Rit, and this is a blue pen. This is a blue pen having grip, and it is very smooth pen. It is changeable refill, and this refill contain 3 ink color, blue, red and black.
You can write with this pen neatly.
You can write this pen neatly, and it is very smooth pen.
and every people write this pen.
Every student should write with this pen.
Every student should write with this pen.
This pen.
Thank you.
Now, go.
Are you comfortable with this box? Chalo. Take it up.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Keshri and I am going to do a Pandora box activity in which we have to put our hand inside this box and pick an object and say about the object. So I pick an stapler, mini stapler. It is in blue color and it has no pins, and the company of this stapler is Kangaroo. Its cost is around 40 to 45 rupees, and this is mini stapler which help in staple paper and important paper to keep paper safe. Thank you.
Nice.
Okay, Aditya, what do you think? Why this activity is very helpful to speak freely?
Because there is so many items to describe in English. So that's why this activity is very important.
Do you also think that it enhances our confidence?
Yes, because help of Pandora box and also help of mic, our confidence built very well.
Okay, now pick it out.
जान रहता है मैं निकलेगा. ओके सही हो रहा है मेरे को. ओके तो हेलो एवरीवन, myself Aditya Prabhakar and I am Aditya Prabhakar and student of Rio Academy, and today's activity is Pandora box activity and I am participating in this activity. And when I am participating this activity, I got a small plastic wrapper. This is a removed plastic wrapper. As I know, in past there is a removed plastic cover, or there is not open. When I open this seal, there is a re-hanging. And what?
Transparent. It is transparent.
It is transparent and approx 3 inch. Its size is very 3 inch, and also we use to save battery. Thank you.
Now, audience, we need to understand that why this activity should be there in the classroom. As we, Aditya and I have already discussed about this activity, that this Pandora box activity enhances your speaking. It also makes you confident whenever you feel for an object. It boosts your morale. Because whenever we talk in English, we think multiple things. But when you are to speak of a single or a particular object, you need to think about the object only. There are many things to collect, like you must have known about the information of the object, and if you don't know about the object what it is, so you will not feel comfortable. So it is very necessary, whenever you think, whenever you see multiple things around you, you should speak over the object, right? If you are sitting at your table and you are watching multiple objects around your table, just pick any object and speak over the object. This will make you comfortable. This will free you from your hesitation. And this Pandora box actually does this. It makes you free while you are speaking. And even if you want, you may write many sentences over this, over a single object. Okay? So we have successfully done this Pandora box activity. In future, in upcoming classes, we will also be doing the same thing, but in a different style. Okay? So thank you for today.
Thank you, sir.
अरे clap करो अच्छे से clap. हाँ. Now this. Okay. And for you audience, if you like the students of our academy, please what? Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.